That said, I do think there's some misconceptions. For one thing, you don't need to take on debt to build credit, and building credit can be immensely helpful. My wife and I just bought a home. There's no way we would have been able to do that without having our credit in good shape. Got a decent rate on our mortgage. So credit can make your life a lot easier as long as you're intentional about it. So one of the things I would say is you do not need to take on debt to build credit history. You can get a secured credit card. You can keep the limit low if you're worried about the risk of overspending, and you can put an automated charge on there and set up auto pay. You can set your Netflix to bill to that card every month. You can set up auto pay. You never have to take on debt, and boom, there's credit history just building for you. Sort of similar, I would say you don't have to carry a balance to build credit. I've had folks who had that misconception. I've had to talk to them and say, no, actually, you can pay it off as soon as the statement hits. You don't need to carry a balance. In fact, you shouldn't carry a balance because when you do, you're probably incurring interest charges. So as long as you're making a charge and you're paying it off, that's getting reported to the credit bureaus with the vast majority of cards. That's getting reported to the credit bureaus, and you are building positive credit history. So I would just say, as long as you're intentional about it, you don't need to take on debt to use credit cards to better your financial profile.